Zdravo, zdravo, kako se goš tako patka, ako ne muzičkata emisija Hard and Heavy se nalažeme na severu od Balkanu, se nalažeme na Alpite, se nalažeme v Slovenija, v Tomin, na mesto to zostorstvo, na Metal Days. Pokraj mene se novite sogovornici, stanula zbor za momčina koji ne duat Melodic Death i ne doajat od Graz, od Avstrija. Stanula zbor za band koji doprava ke se sluša Crown the Falling. First, welcome to Macedonian TV show Hard and Heavy.
Thank you so much, man. We appreciate it so much. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure. Tell me how you started.
Well, we started in 2013 as Python Regius. We then parted with two of our band members, unfortunately, for personal reasons. Back then we already almost had our first album completely written and almost completely recorded. With that little take back, with the departure of those two, we had to change our name. We came to Crown the Fallen because we liked our last band, but it actually felt like we've been falling for some time, so we thought, oh, maybe that would be right. And yeah, since then we came to the name, essentially, yeah, Crown the Fallen. I mean, it's very obvious actually what it means, but to us it just means like a fresh new start. Musically, we didn't want to give up on the first record, and we didn't want to lose all the music money and effort we put into it, so we started anew. And we have been fallen, or we may have been fallen before, but now we're crowned at least.
Yeah. You have a good mix with classical elements, with that influence, with thrash influence, but it's melodic, that your style. We are taking the inspiration for your music.
Yeah, this is a question normally for Chris. He is our keyboarder and composer as well, but I think his inspirations are coming from different styles of music, and we also appreciate different styles of music, and we wanted to combine them and make the best things for us happen.
Nice. Yeah. Who write the lyrics? And you are taking inspiration from the lyrics.
That's actually me. I'm writing the lyrics almost completely. Tom has a little part of one song also written. The inspiration comes actually just from kind of everyday life, reading newspapers, reading about social injustice, economic injustice, and also of course much more worth themes like war going on in different countries. So we're taking from the first record, and just like kind of criticizing what is wrong in the world, and how we would view it as fair, which would be, I guess, without humanity, like if we're talking about the whole planet. And for the second album, it's going to be something different. I think we're going to bring it out next year. We're not sure about that, but it's going to go in like a direction of having maybe new species. Maybe they're going to repeat mistakes which humanity made, maybe not. But for the first album, it's actually like, yeah, mistakes by humanity, social injustice in general, I would say. Yeah.
It's coming, the new material, it's coming, the Sue, be the Flash, be the same style just like the first album and different?
Okay, it will be the same style more or less, but yeah, we are looking forward, and we are getting forward with our music as well, and of course with our songwriting and composing as well. So it will be a little bit different, of course, maybe more progressive in this way, maybe more rhythmic, yeah, more technically maybe, but yeah.
Essentially the same melodic death metal with hard classical progressive and also some thrash influences. But once again, since Chris our keyboard is composing the music, he's going to figure it out, I guess. We don't have a fixated plan yet, but it's going to be like the first album, The Passing of Greed, but taken a step higher, preferably, right? In like toughness, being heavy, and also being progressive, and also with, I don't know, maybe some instrumental parts. We want to play around a little bit and get more out of it than we did the first time already, actually. Yeah.
Your first time here in Metal Days, this summer you're going to another festival?
As a band, yes. As a band, yes. We're the first time here. I was here before with another band 12 years ago. So yeah, I was already here. We are not playing on a festival next to this festival, but we have some plans in the future, of course. The next concert is in
the 29th of September, and it's in the Music House, right?
Yes.
In Graz. It's one of the oldest pubs, rock pubs in Graz, so all sorts of rock and metal. And we're going to play with some stoner bands, going to be really nice. And also we have another one concert coming up, which we organize ourselves in November in Graz at the Explosiv near the train station, with some local bands around Austria and Styria. So that is even going to be greater. But apart from that, there's nothing yet planned. Mostly of the other stuff is going to be like composing and also writing lyrics and getting like at the first record we tried to do like something like a plan for the whole record, right? Like lyrically and also musically. So one song joins the next song perfectly, kind of, and we're trying to do that with the second album as well. So it kind of takes some time figuring out which chords to play, which chords to start, stuff like that. Just a little work, but essentially we're working on it. We have some ideas, but it's also fresh, so to say. It's hard to tell anything exact about it.
Yeah. And tell me, you don't have a label, you're only independent for now.
We are independent for now, yes.
Maybe the next album is coming to be.
Yeah, hopefully, maybe, we will see. Yes. If they are interested, come to us. We are open for everything.
Listen promotion.
We are always interested in opportunities, and if it's fair and it's about the music, we're gladly appreciating it, as well as, and most importantly, all the guys seeing us, or if only listening to us on Spotify, YouTube. We're happy for everything. If you enjoy our music, that's as good as it gets for us.
And for the end, what would you like to say for people who are watching this interview, Macedonian Metal fans?
Well, at first I'd like to thank you for having us here. It's a great opportunity. It's really nice from you. And also for everybody seeing us, or who has seen us already, thanks a lot for coming out. We really appreciate it. For everybody who's interested, come and see us. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to talk some shit. And at least you're going to have some laughs, but still the music great. And yeah, just see us, write us if you have anything on mind you want to tell us, or anything you want to get. We're happy about every contact, everyone who likes our music, essentially. Yeah.
Crow, it's falling, it's coming.
Hard and heavy Macedonian, the fall, das Beste.